right, up next, we're at Hurricane. Huntington was visiting 3-0 Hurricane. Second quarter, Hurricane running back Nathan Barham goes around the end, cuts back, and is slammed to the turf by Huntington linebacker Brockton Blair. Love the name.
With the big hit.
Yes, with the big hit, Brockton Blair. Huntington punts now, and Hurricane gives it right back as Hunter Price jumps on the loose ball. However, Huntington is unable to capitalize. They are still 3-0 Hurricane. In the second quarter, Hurricane will start to mount a drive. Christian Hill, nice first down run. Couple plays later here, Hurricane's Nathan Barham will get the handoff. He's going to go around the end, cut back. He's going to juke a Huntington defender here and go in for the 40-yard touchdown. 10-0 Hurricane. Final score of the night. Hurricane wins it 24-7.
Good chance we see that play again before the show is over. And
Absolutely.
in case anyone wants to bet, there's,
Right.
if you're a betting man, take that bet.